I'm Chris, and this is my changing your GM key fob battery. This may work for others, but mainly GMs that have this little removable key like this. So these are from my 2017 Camaro. You're gonna get it in there like that and just crack it sideways. Pull it apart. So I'll buy my batteries from the dealer. They want $4 a piece for these, but that's the battery you get at the dealer. Then you use your key to pop it out. Remember, that side was up. New battery. And then just pop it back together. There you go, good as new. So the guy at the dealer showed me how to do that, and it really did freak me out because I've had that warning light on for months. And I asked him what happens if that battery goes dead on there. He goes, your car's not gonna start. And that's when I freaked out. So this one was really dirty earlier. Let's show some footage of how I got it clean. That's the best I could get it, but it looks a lot better now. So now it's time to clean the key fob. You see how dirty it is compared to the spare that I never use. So we got a toothbrush or a cleaner of choice, and I use old socks for chemicals. Lightly spray it, make sure it doesn't go inside, so just kind of lightly spray it like that. And quickly, just like you're brushing your teeth. Wipe it away and inspect it. You don't want the chemicals running inside. Now you have to use your judgment. Is that white enough? For me, it's not. So I'm gonna get some bleach soap. So I'm gonna get the stuff for the toilet. Put a little bit on there. And be careful, this stuff could burn your hands up if you have sensitive skin. I can smell the bleach. It's a little bit better. Now I'm gonna get some bleach soap and scrub this thing. A little bit of Comet with bleach. Hopefully this does not cause an explosion. I'm just trying to get them letters a little bit wider than that. Okay, don't spray in there. I just want to clean it. So that's it, just a quick video. Remember to change your batteries if you're getting that warning light. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.